SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from SolveYourTech.com will show you how to change the background of the Start page or the new tab page in the Safari web browser on an iPhone 13. When you follow these steps, you will be able to choose from a handful of default background wallpapers, or you can use a picture from your own camera roll. So let's jump into our video about how to change Safari background on iPhone 13. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you want to change the background of the Start page in the Safari web browser on your iPhone, then you can do so with just a few steps. Begin by tapping the Safari icon to open the browser. You can then tap the Tabs button, and then touch the plus button at the bottom left corner of this screen. This is the Start page. This is actually what we're going to be changing the background for. So scroll down and tap the Edit button. You can then touch the button to the right of Background Image to enable it. And then you can choose one of the backgrounds shown there. Or if you want to use a picture from your own camera, you can just tap the plus button, which will take you to the Photos app, where you'll be able to pick something that you've taken on your camera. If you exit out of this custom Start page, you'll see that the background's been applied and you're all set. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.